thunderstorm warning for northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Thompson, or 15 miles south of Deposit, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ararat, Lanesboro, Thompson, Uniondale, Strucka, Hiawatha, Shahouken, Starlight, Staruka, and Pleasant Mount.